Why?
Today, high 50, cloudy with occasional rain tonight, low 45. Rain tomorrow with a high of 50.
Stop.
Ostentini, Washington.
ISIS militants have attacked Afghan soldiers in Kabul, killing at least 11 and wounding.
Things have to happen before that actually takes place. They have to stop testing. They have to be willing to do.
They have talent. They have talent on this roster, but they're very inconsistent, and their habit of losing.
Here, Scott Horsley is with us now from the White House. Hey, Scott.
Hi.
So for the last 3.5 months, I mean, the government has been running on these short-term stopgap.